Hey guys, welcome to Puppy Love Parlor. I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys how to do a flea shampoo properly on a dog. So step one is ask your little stinky doggy if he needs to go potty. Jake Daniel? Jackie? Hey buddy. What's up? Hey, sit. Sit. Good boy. You need to go potty? Right. Alright guys, we're gonna go ahead and take him potty. Alright, let them do their business. 1 and 2 if possible. That way they're clean longer. Good boy, daddies. Come on. Alright. Okay. Hey guys, welcome to Puppy Love's channel. Here's Jake Daniel. He's going to be getting a bath today, a flea shampoo. And I'm going to show you guys how to do a proper flea shampoo. I've been grooming for over 20 years, so I definitely know how to wash a dog with flea shampoo. Now, at a lot of salons I've been working at, or even at my salon, we used to use a lot of like $30 gallon flea shampoos that, I don't know if it's just a Texas thing or the fleas are just more harsher, like, I don't know. But when we would use those gallons of shampoo, customers would tell me that their dogs, they would notice the fleas were dying, but when they would get home, they noticed that the fleas were like moving again on the dog. So I tested it out on my dog. My dog had never got fleas before, but she ended up getting fleas one time. And we went to a family's gathering and they had a lot of fleas from deers. So I did the flea shampoo and sure enough, the fleas were actually moving after they died. It's like it froze them and then all of a sudden they were alive again. So I started this other technique that works really, really good and you will not have that problem. But you definitely need to make sure that you are using a treatment for your dog. I personally use the Seresto collar on Jack Daniel. He uses, I think it's a small. He's like 30 pounds. But the Seresto collar is amazing, guys. It's a 8-month collar. I don't believe in collars because they only usually protect like 10 inches away from the collar, so they don't really work. But this one has been amazing. We used to use this on my pit bull, on all of our dogs. We used to use these. And I use it on Jack Daniel. And we live in the country now, so we don't have to worry about fleas at all anymore. Like, he doesn't ever have fleas. But I like this process because it just makes sure he doesn't have any fleas. And I like that it kills any kind of stinky odor your dog may have. A lot of dogs have this smell, like just sweaty, just outdoor stinky smell. I hate that smell. So I like this process. So anyways, okay, so let's go ahead and get into this, guys. Alright, so go ahead and remove all your dog's collars and everything.